Hi, this is John with WTI, and summer is coming. And this is where this mirrorized sunglasses comes into place. And these are some polarized sunglasses that you can pretty much use for a lot of situations. And few features that are markable here. It's one is build quality. This is built like a tank. I'm a heavy duty user, so I can pretty much be throwing things around like a madman. But these guys here are well built. These polarized glasses, you don't know how good polarized glasses can be until you start wearing them in a sunny environment. Like I said, summer is coming, so this is gonna be like one of the essentials that are gonna be like really good for you to have them. Not for you to have them only. Like for example, you can actually gift them to any one of your family members, your parents, your uncles, your brothers, and you're just gonna give them quality when it comes to using a good pair of polarized glasses, especially these ones. Like I said, well built, nice look, and it's gonna be durable. So this was Sean with the WTI, and that was my point of view.